Before we begin, let's take a moment to talk about n8n. n8n is an open-source automation platform that lets you connect apps, services, and data to create powerful workflows without writing code. One of its biggest advantages is that you can install it on your own web server, completely free. This gives you full ownership of your data, complete control over your automations, and the freedom to build workflows without relying on external platforms. Within the Calculated Fields form plugin, the WebHooks module allows you to send the information collected by your form directly to n8n. This means that the moment a user submits the form, you can trigger an automation flow. Whether you want to add a new row to a Google Sheets document, create a calendar event, or send an email to your sales team. Let's begin by inserting a webhook component in n8n. We'll take the URL it provides and use it to configure the webhook module in the form settings. On your website, make sure the webhook add-on from the Calculated Fields form plugin is enabled. If it isn't already active, you can simply turn it on from the add-ons section before continuing. Then, paste the webhook URL you previously copied from n8n into the form settings. In n8n, set the webhook to listening mode so it can capture the data structure before you add any new nodes to your workflow. Once n8n receives the test data, we already know its structure. And with that structure, we can connect other components like the Google Sheets document we want to fill with the form data. In the Google Sheets node, I'll select the document we want to populate and the sheet where the new rows will be added. Then, we'll configure which form field should be inserted into each column of the document. Once the nodes are configured, we'll go ahead and save the workflow and publish it. Finally, I'll take the production webhook URL and update it in the form settings. Let's put it to the test. Now, take a look at the Google Sheets document as it updates automatically with the data submitted through the form. Up to this point, the webhook URL we've been using is completely unprotected. Anyone who knows it could send data using the same structure as your form. So, let's take it a step further and protect the URL using one of the authentication methods available in n8n. In this example, we'll use Header Auth. We'll define a variable name and a value, any values we choose, and then configure the form on our website to use that same authentication method. Let's send the form again. The data has been successfully added to the Google Sheets document. And from here, we can continue expanding our n8n flow to automate all of our work. From this moment on, your form is no longer just a simple data collector. It becomes the entry point to a fully automated workflow.